Hello, dear beauties. Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of styles. So, today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing collection of summer season dresses. So, dear beautiful ladies, in my today's video, you are going to find out more than 100 plus design ideas of different styles and different types of summer seasons floral midi dress design ideas for ladies and girls. Best and latest collection of summer season's midi dresses. Today I have collected for you dear beauties, so must watch video till the end. Very beautiful collection and very beautiful design ideas are coming up next in this video. So you will be find out different designer styles and designer wear summer season's midi dresses. You are going to find out A-line style dresses, umbrella style dresses, fit and flare style dresses, melted dress designs, frill styles, layer styles, really amazing and classy designs of neck and sleeves. So if you love to wear full sleeve designs, you will get the ideas how to style your full sleeves with your summer's midi dresses. And if you love to wear half sleeves, you will also get the ideas for styling your half sleeves designs in your summer seasons with floral dresses, with midi dresses. Even you will get the ideas of off-shoulder dresses for your romantic and sweet ideas. All of these dresses are in chiffon fabric, cotton fabric, silk fabric, and linen fabric. And these fabrics are best choice for summer seasons, as we all know that summer is a hot weather. So these fabrics are best for your summer season for enjoy your summer vibes. So must try these fabric, must try these styles of summer season's midi dresses for enhance your summer styles or evaluate your 2025 summer's wardrobe. College going, university going girls carry these styles of midi dresses in summer seasons for their daily wears, for casual to formal wears. Even in summer season, you will also carry these styles of chiffon fabric, all over print style midi dresses for your party wears, for your evening wears. Very beautiful and stylish looking midi dresses, elegant style dresses, all over print styles, plain fabric styles, patchwork styles, ruffle work styles. So different and amazing stitching techniques of midi dresses you are going to exploring in this video, dear beauties. So must watch video till the end. Please don't skip any idea, don't skip any designs. Do share my video with your loved one, with your relatives, with your friends. So the new people get the new ideas and new designs of summer season's midi dresses. They will get the ideas how to style their midi dresses, how to wear their midi dresses in summer seasons. So much share with your loved one. Fashionable summer season's midi dresses in frock styles, skater styles, alien styles, mid-length dresses. Dear beauties, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. And if you press the bell icon, so you will get the ideas, you will get the notifications of my videos and will never miss any idea, any collection of dresses on daily basis. I really like these styles. I really love these styles. And I hope so that you will love these too. You will love these styles. You will love these designs of summer season's midi dresses. So must watch video till the end. Don't forget to like and share video. Don't forget to subscribe channel. And also give me feedback in the comment section, dear beauties. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions. So much share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. So let's enjoy the video till the end. Goodbye till the next video. You will enjoy video till the end, dear beauties.